Hey friends, furry animals are back.
Woo!
Smile and enjoy the ride. Meet the one coworker who actually gets things done.
I won't get in the trash can. And I won't pee on the floor.
When Dad makes you swear you won't be bad.
Good boy!
Why chase balls when you can chase the vibe?
Oh my god!
They want the food, but they don't trust the machine.
Oh! Kisa!
Defending the house from himself.
That's you! How much more of a circle can you be? Drive by. Drive by. Drive by.
He takes his job way too seriously, especially around poles.
Drive by.
Cara do meliante.
That's not guilt, that's pride in a job well done. He pulled the most dramatic exit possible.
Oh, what the?
Ollie, you want Gawakis? Oh, you want Gawakis?
This girl was sure a ghost was flipping the lights, so she wanted proof on video. Took one bite like it was a personal challenge. This cat was in deep thought, until the Roomba disrespected him. He locked eyes and chose his target, the driest human.
Go, 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 go!
First walk ever, and she's already serving looks. He calls it love. The cat calls it harassment. She's part dog, part cat, and fully committed.
Nothing normal can ever happen to me. Nothing. Look at this.
Regular bowls, that's behind him now. He only does hand poured now. Same speed, same stick, same wholesome energy.
You turkeys.
That wasn't just a bark. That was a complaint. Built like a marshmallow, fights like a heavyweight. No one pushes his buttons like his own tail. One stick? He brought the whole tree. That look was a very polite way of saying, use your hand next time.
Come on, let's go. Let's go, buddy. You want a treat?
Harvey simply wants to exist in bed.
Come on, let's go. Come on, Bubba.
Affection with a touch of violence. We all have that one friend who gives 110% and still wipes out.
What are you doing? What is that position?
That position? That's called full rotisserie mode. She told the dog not to get on the couch, then couldn't find her.
She's hiding! She's hiding! What are you doing? Bro! Shyla!
If I can't see you, you can't see me. That's the rule.
Shyla! Are you serious?
Carol was enjoying a chill walk until she saw the cows.
Look at them.
Immediate nope.
They're just cows. Stop. They're just cows. They're just cows. They're just cows. Look at them. Carol, you're fine. No. You're fine. Stop.
Carol, she has discovered her little foot that's just so cute.
Baby beavers are born with fur, teeth, and open eyes, and within days, they're ready to swim. But first, foot discovery.
I just think that it's just as cute as it can be.
In horse training, desensitization helps teach horses to stay calm around unpredictable sights and sounds, like kids, other animals, or a trainer doing cartwheels. Here's what a lionfish dental cleaning looks like up close.
Time to feed Bella. Bella!
He made friends with an albino deer near his home. Now it shows up every time he calls. These guys are super rare in the wild, like 1 in 20,000.
Coolest albino deer I know.
闹闹，拍拍坐。
It was supposed to be a group shot. He turned it into a solo.
下班。
He's deep in a dairy dream. Void siblings, united by one mission, dinner. Opposites that clearly belong together. You don't need words when a dog looks at you like that. This is why hanging out with Dad hits different. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.